अग्निपथ योजना में भारतीय नौजवानों को बतौर अग्निवीर आर्म फोर्सेस में सेवा का अवसर प्रदान किया जाए।
Government of India has unveiled the new defence recruitment reform, Agnipath.
We will provide opportunity to the youth to serve the nation for short and long duration as Agniveers.
Hi everybody, welcome to Indian Defence Express YouTube channel. It's my first video. Today in this episode we will discuss the detailed procedure for how to join Indian Army as an JCO, Junior Commissioned Officer or our Agniveer. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get begin. This video I will divide it into 4 parts. First one is eligibility criteria, and second one is post concerning qualification, third one is physical standard and physical fitness test, fourth one is salary structure. Let's see about the first part. What are the eligibility requirements? Those who have above the age of 17.6 to under the age of 21 year before joining the training, those candidates are eligible. Let's see about the second part, post concerning qualification. There are 4 posts are there. I will explain one by one. Let's see the first post concerning qualification. The post name is Agniveer General Duty. The required qualification is those who have passed the class 10th or are metric with a minimum of 45% and aggregate of 33% in all subjects. Those candidates are eligible. Let's see the second post concerning qualification. The post name is Agniveer Tradesman in all arms. The required qualification is those who have just passed the class 10th with an aggregate of 33% in all subjects. Those candidates are eligible for this post. Let's see the third post concerning qualification. The post name is Agniveer Tradesman Housekeeper and Mess Keeper. The required qualification is those who have just passed the class 8th. Those candidates are eligible for this post. Let's see the fourth post concerning qualification. The post name is Agniveer Technical. The required qualification is those who have completed the 10+2 or are intermediate with physics, chemistry, mathematics, English with 50% of marks and aggregate of 40% in each subject. Those candidates are eligible for this post. Let's see the fifth post concerning qualification. The post name is Agniveer Clerk. The required qualification is for this post those who have completed the 10+2 or are intermediate with any stream, arts, commerce, science with 60% of marks and with an aggregate of 50% in all subjects. Those candidates are eligible for this post. But one thing, commerce students must score 50% of marks in English, maths and accounts. Let's see about the third part, that is physical standards and physical fitness test. The required height for an Agniveer entry is 167 cm to 168 cm and the required chest size for an Agniveer entry is 76 cm to 77 cm plus 5 cm expand is compulsory. And let's see about the physical fitness test. It can be 3 phases of different tests. Let's see the first test, that is running. Remember friends, you need to complete 1.6 km running within the given time duration, which is 5 minutes 30 seconds. They will give 60 marks. If you complete it on 5 minutes 31 second to 45 seconds, you will get 48 marks. Let's see about the second test, which is beam pull-ups with respect to their marks. If you done 10 pull-ups, you will get 40 marks. Otherwise, if you done 9 pull-ups, you will get 33 marks. If you done 8 pull-ups, you will get 27 marks. If you done 7 pull-ups, you will get 21 marks. If you done 6 pull-ups, you will get 16 marks. And let's see about the third test. It is 9 feet ditch and zigzag. If you need to complete compulsory, otherwise you are not able to complete the test, you will be considered as a failed. Next, we will discuss the salary structure of an Agniveer. The yearly customized package of an Agniveer will receive 70% of monthly salary in hand and remaining 30% of money will contribute to the Agniveer Corpus Fund. Let's see about the yearly salary structure. First year, the customized salary package is 30,000 and 21,000 will received in hand and 9,000 will contribute to Agniveer Corpus Fund. Let's see the second year salary structure. The 33,000 customized monthly package salary and 23,100 received in hand. 9,900 will contribute to the Agniveer Corpus Fund. Third year, the 3,500 customized monthly package, 25,580 received in hand, and 10,950 will contribute to the Agniveer Corpus Fund. Let's see the fourth year, 40,000 customized monthly package and 28,000 will received in hand, and 12,000 will be contributed to the Agniveer Corpus Fund. The total contribution of Agniveer Corpus Fund after 4 years is 5.2 lakh, and Government of India also provide 5.2 lakh. Exit after 4 years, you will receive 11.71 lakh as a Seva Nidhi package, including current interest rate. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share with your groups. Let's meet in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.